Ever wondered what the top 5 front-end programming languages are? Well, front-end languages are the building blocks of the internet, shaping the websites and applications you interact with every day. They're a crucial part of web development, turning raw data into visually engaging, user-friendly interfaces. Today we're going to explore these digital tools, counting down the top 5 most popular and effective front-end languages. So, buckle up and prepare for a journey through the digital landscape as we count down the top 5 front-end programming languages. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have HTML. Considered the backbone of the web, HTML forms the structure of web pages, making it a fundamental starting point for anyone stepping into the world of web development. Its simplicity and accessibility make it a friendly introduction for beginners. However, it's important to remember that HTML is a markup language, not a programming language, which does limit its functionality. Despite its limitations, HTML remains an indispensable tool in front-end development. Coming in at number 4, we have CSS. Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS, is the maestro behind the visual symphony of a web page. It works in beautiful harmony with HTML, dictating the layout, style, and overall aesthetic of a web page. From the color of your text to the positioning of your images, CSS is the artist's brush for the canvas of the web. It's the key to creating visually stunning and responsive web pages. With CSS, designers can create stunning and responsive web pages that appeal to users. Halfway through our countdown at number 3, we meet JavaScript. This dynamic language is the lifeblood of interactive web pages, transforming static sites into vibrant, user-friendly experiences. What makes JavaScript stand out from the crowd is its versatility. It's not just confined to the client side. With the advent of Node.js, JavaScript has found its place on the server side as well, making it a truly full-stack language. But the story doesn't end there. The power of JavaScript is further amplified by an extensive range of frameworks and libraries. Whether it's React's component-based architecture, Angular's two-way data binding, or Vue.js's easy learning curve, JavaScript provides a tool for every need. And let's not forget JavaScript's asynchronous programming and event-driven architecture make real-time applications, like chatbots and live updates, a breeze to implement. JavaScript's versatility and wide range of applications make it a must-know language for any front-end developer. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have TypeScript. TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, adds static types to the language. This feature not only highlights potential bugs during development, but also simplifies the maintenance of large code bases. Its popularity is on the rise, with more and more industry professionals recognizing its capacity to streamline and enhance the development process. For developers looking to scale their applications, TypeScript is an invaluable tool. And finally, reigning supreme at number 1, we have React. Though technically a JavaScript library, React has emerged as a force to be reckoned with in the world of front-end programming. Its widespread use and popularity have elevated it to a status where it's often considered a language in its own right. React's primary use is in crafting interactive user interfaces. Its beauty lies in its simplicity and efficiency. It uses a virtual DOM feature, a lightweight copy of the actual DOM, which allows for quick updates and rendering. This means that when changes are made, only the parts of the interface that need to be updated are re-rendered, rather than the whole page. This results in a smoother user experience and less load on the server. React's power to construct complex, high-performance applications with relative ease and efficiency has cemented its position at the top. Its ability to create complex, high-performance applications has made React the king of front-end languages.